Today, let's walk through the printing setup in RIIN. First, make sure your canvas width does not exceed 330 mm or 13 inches. There's no height limit, but your design size must stay within the canvas. Once you've adjusted the size, click Print. In the settings, for solution, just choose the first option. Set color order to KCMY and Spot 2. For send type, select TCP/IP, and for print type, choose print shape. If you need to mirror the design, check the mirror box. If you're printing multiple copies of the same image, check multiple print. If it's just one, leave it unchecked. Once everything's set, and Better Printer is open in the background, you're ready to start printing.